Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiply fractions. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiply mixed numbers, multiply three or more mixed numbers, fractions, and whole numbers, multiply two fractions using models. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, so here I'm on grade 6 math. Chapter we are on right now is multiply fractions. Let's just start with the lesson that is multiply numbers. Multiply 3 whole 1 by 5 times 3 2 whole 3 by 4. So first thing you need to do is convert them to improper fraction. That is 3 whole 1 by 4 times 2 whole 3 by 4, right? So you have to do whole number times denominator, you have to do 3 times 5. You need to add the numerator, that 3 times 5 plus 1 divided by 5. So that is 16 over 5. That is right. 2 whole 3 by 4 as an improper fraction. You have to do 2 times 4. Whole number times denominator, you need to add numerator. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. So how do we multiply? Now we have converted them to improper fraction. You have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. So 16 times 11 is 176 and 5 times 4 is 20. So that is 176 divided by 20. Now numerator is greater than denominator, so you have to divide 176 by 20. So when you divide 176 by 20, the answer is 8 whole 16 over 20. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. The questions on the tutorial are already solved. You can have a look on them later today. Multiply 4 whole 7 over 9 times 7 whole 1 by 2. So 4 whole 7 over 9. You need to multiply whole number times denominator. You have to do 4 times 9. You need to add the numerator divided by the 9. Same thing you have to do with the other fraction. You have to do 2 times 7. That is whole number times denominator and plus 1 divided by 2. That is 4 times 9 is 36. 43 over 9. 2 times 7 is 14 and 1 15 over 2. So you have to multiply numerator times numerator and denominator denominator. 9 times 2 is 18. You have to do 43 times 15. You have to do 43 times 15. That is 645. You have now we have numerator is greater than denominator. You have to divide now 645 by 18. 645 divided by 18. 18 times 3 is 54. So you can go for 18 times 3. That is 105. So 105 divided by 18 is 18 times 5. 18 times 5 is 90. So that is 15. So the correct option is the answer is 35 whole 18 over 15. 18 over 15 you have the common denominator. 15 over 18, sorry. That is 35 whole 15 over 18. So you can divide them by 3. So that is 35 whole 5 over 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 35 whole 5 over 6. The correct option is 35 whole 5 over 6. Okay, so let's just start with the next question. 35 whole 5 over 6. The next one is 1 whole 1 by 7 times 3 whole 3 by 8. They are a bit long, but they are easy, right? The important thing you need to learn here is how do we convert them to improper fraction, right? And then you know that when we multiply the fractions, we have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. Got it? So let's just convert this one. 1 times 7 plus 1 over 7 and then 3 times 8 plus 3 over 8. That is 7 times 1 is 7 and 8 over 7. 8 times 3 is 24, 25, 26, 27 over 8. 8 and 8 cancel out, right? We are left with 27 over 7. So just divide 27 over 7. 7 times 4 is 28. We can go for 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. You have 6 here. That is 3 whole 6 over 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. If you have any question with this example, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask if you have any question. The correct option is 3 whole 6 by 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 whole 2 by 3 times 1 whole 1 by 2. So you have to do 3 times 4 plus 2 over 3, 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2. That is 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, 14 over 3. And 2 times 1 is 2 and 1, 3 over 2. So 3 and 3 cancel out. You are left with 14 over 2. 2 times 7 is 14. The correct option is the correct option is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Multiply 10 whole 9 by 10 times 1 whole 3 by 5. 10 times 10 plus 9 over 10. You have to do 1 times 5 plus 3 over 5, right? So 10 times 10 is 100. 100 plus 9 is 109 over 10. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 over 5. That is 872 divided by 50. Divided by the 2. That is 25. That is 436 divided by 25. So let's just divide 436 by 25. Sorry, 25 it is. 25 times 2 is 50, so we can go for 25 times 1. 13 minus 5 is 8, 118. Now bring 6 down, so we can go for 27 times. 25 times 7 is 175. 25, we can go for 25 times 7. That is 175. So that is 17 whole 11 over 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 17 whole 11 over 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. Multiply 5 whole 5 by 6 times 6 whole 2 by 3. That is 5 whole 5 by 6. You guys just guessing the answer. Please use your notebook and pencil and do the calculations and then write down the correct option over here. This is not about the guesses. This is all about the practice. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is three or mul- multiply three or more mixed numbers, fractions or whole numbers. 2 whole 1 by 3 times 2 by 3 times 3. So convert 2 whole 1 by fraction, that is 2 times 3 is 6, that is 7 over 3. 7 over 3 times 2 by 3 times 3 by 1. So 3 and 3 cancel out each other. You are left with 14 over 3. That is 4 whole 2 by 3. Let's just start with the test question. 1 by 4 times 2 whole 1 by 2 times 3. That is 1 by 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1. 5 over 2 times 3. Let's just do multiply all the numerators. 5 times 3 is 15 and 4 times 2 is 8. So let's just divide. 8 times 1 is 8. 15 take away 8 is 7. That is 1 whole 7 over 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 1 whole 7 over 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 whole 7 over 8. 2 whole 1 by 2 times 4 over 5 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1. 5 over 2 times 4 over 5 times 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. 5 and 5 cancel out. So you are left with 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? That is 4. Okay, let's just see who is going to answer the next question, right? That is 3 times 2 whole 3 by 4 times 3 by 5. So I am waiting. Just solve the question in your notebook and write the answer in the chat box. which is the correct option? That is 3 times 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 11 is 99. And 99 over 20, right? Option number 1. Very good. That is 20 times 4 is 80 and 4 whole 19 over 20. Very good. The correct option is option number 1. That is 4 whole 19 over 20. Multiply 1 whole 3 by 4 times 2 by 3, which is the correct option. Which is the correct option? Mm. 4 times 1 is 4 and 7 over 4 times 2 over 3, right? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 cancel out. You are left with 7 over 3. So the correct option is 2 whole 1 over 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 2 whole 1 over 3. The correct option is option number 3. That is 2 whole 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 times 2 times 1 by 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is 1 whole 1 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 3 times 1 by 2 plus 2 times 1, 2 whole 1 by 3. So which is the correct option? That is 3 times 1 by 2 times 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 7 over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. So 7 over 2 is 4 whole 1 over 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 4 whole 1 over 2. The correct option is option number 2. That is 4 whole 1 by 2. 3 whole 1 by 2. The correct option is option number 1. 2 whole 1 by 3 1 by 3 times 3. That is 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 7 over 3 times 1 over 3 times 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. 7 over 3. So which is the correct option? 7 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. That is 2 whole 1 by 3. 2 times 1 whole 2 by 3 times 2 over 5. So which is the correct option? 3 times 1 is 3 and 4. 5 over 3 and 2 over 5. 5 and 5 cancel out. That is 4 over 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 whole 1 over 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply two fractions using models. Use the model to find the product. So 1 by 2 times 1 by 5. The model has 5 columns. 1 out of 5 is shaded, right? The model has 2 rows. 1 out of 2 rows is shaded. The part where the shaded columns are and rows overlap represent 1 by 5 times 1 by 2. So only one column represents the overlap, right? Out of 10. So that means that is 1 over 10. That is 1 over 10. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that is use the model to find the product 1 by 3 times 1 by 5. You have to find the overlapping squares. Only one column you have the overlapping, so that is out of 15. So that is 1 out of 15. The product of 1 by 5 and 1 by 3 is 1 by 15 because out of the 15 columns, just one is overlapping. So that is 1 by 15. Got it? Use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? That is 1 over 12. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 1 by 3 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 over 15. Very good. One by 5 times 1 by 5. That is 1 over 25. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use the model to find the product 1 by 2 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? That is 1 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. One by 4 times 1 by 5, which is the correct option? That is 1 over 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 5 times 1 by 4, which is the correct option. That is 1 over 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. One by 4 times 1 by 2. The correct option is 1 over 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 by 4 times 1 by 4, which is the correct option. That is 1 over 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 1 by 5 times 1 by 2, which is the correct option. That is 1 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done for the lesson and also we are done for today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we are working on is multiply fractions. The lessons we have covered today are multiply mixed fractions, mixed numbers, multiply three or more mixed numbers, fractions or whole numbers, and multiply two fractions using models. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the question in the chat box for which you need answer of any. So any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.